Assalamu alaikum. Today we'll study about state verb. Yes, being in grade 8, I know you are familiar with the verbs and you know they are action words. But today I'll tell you that there are two types of verbs. One are the action verbs and the other are the state verbs. Action verbs indicate actions, but the state verbs tell about states, that in what state the noun is. The most common state verbs are be and have. There is an important difference between these action verbs and state verbs, and that difference is that action verbs can have both simple and continuous forms, but state verbs don't have a continuous forms, maybe because action verbs are used for temporary situations and the action finishes after some time, but the state verbs are used for permanent situations or long lasting situations. Look at the examples. Honesty is the best policy. Now this is a permanent situation, it's not going to change, I think, ever. My sister is an architect. It's again a permanent situation and it's not going to change throughout her life because she is going to be an architect whether she is practicing it or not. Then I have a sister. This is also a reality, it's not going to change. Be verbs are am, are, is, was, were, been and being. Now look at the exercise at the page number 71 of your book. Let's translate some of the sentences together. अहमद दलेर सिपाही है. Ahmad is a brave soldier. लाहौर बागात के लिए मशहूर है. Lahore is famous for gardens. टीपू सुल्तान आदिल हुक्मरान था. टीपू सुल्तान was a just ruler. क्या इस शहर में कोई हाई स्कूल है? Is there any high school in the city? ये सवाल बहुत पेचीदा है. This question is very complicated. डॉक्टर कब अस्पताल में था? When was the doctor there in the hospital? I hope you will find these sentences very easy and simple to translate. And after you are done, mail them to the English teacher of your class, whose email address is given in the WhatsApp group of your class. Allah Hafiz.